Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anthea. Today I am sharing this incredible mask that is going to help you get rid of acne, dark spots, dark circles, hyperpigmentation, and it will help give your skin that instant glow. As usual, it's 100% natural, it's efficient, simple, and quick to make. Stay tuned and watch this video till the end. In here, I have 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Oops. And 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. If you don't know how to make aloe vera gel, no worries. I am going to put a link down below in the description. It's a 1-minute video that you can watch and learn how to make aloe vera gel from scratch. Combine this very well. Apply this directly to your face after you have cleaned it very well. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse it off with warm water. Then continue with the rest of your skincare routine, especially moisturize afterwards. Should you happen to make way more than you need, no worries. Don't throw it away. Just put it in an airtight container and place it in your refrigerator. It will stay good for up to 7 days. And if you want to keep it for even longer, freeze it and use it as an ice facial. It will be very good for your skin. Thank you guys for watching this video, especially if you did watch it till the end. Give me a thumbs up, share, and leave me a comment below. That's it for today. Have yourselves a lovely time. Until next time.